This video is about the Essential project, and if you get closer, you can almost scent it. Lactones. These beautiful molecules that can be used as flavors and fragrances. But you are probably wondering, isn't this supposed to be a science video? Yeah, we'll get into that. Lactones used to be extracted from plants or alternatively chemically synthesized, both very pollutant. But what if we could change this and have these factories inside cells? So, let's go to the lab. Meet Ashbya gossypii. This filamentous fungus is known for being an overaccumulator of vitamin B2, being the main responsible for its production worldwide. Scientists from Sero recently discovered an additional cool feature of this fungus. It can naturally synthesize lactones. The goal of the Essential project is to push the boundaries of lactone biosynthesis directly from sugars, and there are a few that Ashbya loves. To this end, the researchers are rerouting the genetic code of this microbe to drive sugars to lactones. It all starts with the identification of genes that can be relevant to this process, some from plants or other microbes. After this, it's time to make it real by applying genetic engineering strategies that make Ashbya gossypii produce these useful enzymes. The researchers then move on to studying different types of fermentation conditions, and by merging all of these, they will have a competitive process to produce lactones that can be implemented in the industry in the near future. Can you envision a future where bio-based processes take over petrol-based ones? We at SAP surely can.